Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful time. I mean, if you're a holder of Dogecoin, I'm very certain the last 24 hours have been a good time. Why? Because Dogecoin is up about 25% in the last 24 hours, and the massive factor affecting that is obviously the Twitter logo being changed from the bird into a Shiba Inu. Elon Musk did keep his promise, but at the same time, some people in the community are not happy with what is happening with Dogecoin right now. Before we get into all of that, if you guys are here for the first time, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people see the incredible side of Dogecoin, decide to buy into it, start spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now this is something crazy. So Musk fights to dismiss 258 billion Dogecoin lawsuit. If you guys do not know, the US judge just not happy with Elon Musk because they're seeing Elon Musk trying to form a pyramid scheme towards Dogecoin for the past 2 years, and there have been multiple lawsuits against him. Elon Musk requested a US judge on Friday to dismiss a massive 258 billion racketeering lawsuit that accuses him of operating a pyramid scheme to bolster the cryptocurrency Dogecoin. And the craziest bit is this actually went down on Friday, which is about 3 days ago, and in 3 days my boy decides to do something even crazier by changing the Twitter logo. He's already going through some trouble for actually affecting the momentum of the Dogecoin price, and he does something so crazy that clearly affects it in a very strong manner. In a late night filing in federal court, Musk and Tesla lawyers described the lawsuit filed by Dogecoin investors as a fine fanciful work of fiction that revolves around Musk's innocuous and often silly tweets concerning Dogecoin. Now this is really interesting because if you guys have been keeping up with what has been happening in the last 1 year, you might have noticed that Elon talks about Dogecoin here and there, but in overall he has been staying a little quiet. Could this be one of the reasons why he's going through some lawsuits in the background for what he has done in the past? Dogecoin price to trigger 20 cents soon with a new Twitter logo avatar. Now the avatar has been changed and all the regulatory around cryptocurrency. This move from Elon Musk company could mean many positive outcomes from the crypto market. Now you need to understand, crypto market has already been in a bullish thesis from the past 1 to 2 months as Bitcoin has been climbing as more and more banks are starting to fail. Now this is the time when Bitcoin got close to about 28k where it started slowing down. It is finding it very hard to break above the 28k mark. At the same time, Dogecoin was actually having a sideways momentum. Yes, it was carrying on with the whole market, but at the same time it was not being as explosive as everyone wanted it to be. And on the other end, after Elon decided to make this change, obviously Dogecoin has had an explosive move in the last 24 hours, and that has caused the whole market to be able to shift back into an uptrend. Now keep in mind, if Dogecoin does decide to hold its price above the 10-cent mark, there will be not much time required for it to keep climbing and make it all the way to 20 cents in less than a month, and that is close to 100% increase from where we are right now. Now keep in mind, as you guys can see, these are very huge momentums. As you can see that the buy and the sell orders were so significant, as maybe a lot of people do have their take profits set close to 9 cents. Do I think this is a good thing? Personally, I feel like for the Dogecoin market, this is a very good thing because it just needed a little bit of a push, and that is exactly what it got with Elon Musk actually making a change to the Twitter logo. Do I think in the long term this will be sustainable if the whole of the crypto market starts having the momentum upwards? Yes, this will be sustainable and it will be able to recover and keep moving forward from here. Now on the other end, the RSI line is starting to show that it is in a little bit of an overbought zone. Does that mean that the retail investors or the big whales will decide to sell? I don't say significantly, because I still see that Dogecoin just reached the point it should be when Bitcoin is at 28k. I just noticed that it wasn't able to break above a lot of big points because, you know, there was not much happening with the meme token. On the other end, if we look at the coin market cap, you can see it is up 25%, but the trading volume is up about 400%, which is insane. If we just do some maths, that, let's just say in the last 24 hours we have gotten close to 3.7 billion trading volume inside of Dogecoin, and the trading volume to the market cap ratio is 29%, which is insane for a token that is top 10 by crypto market cap. That's just crazy. By market cap, one of the largest tokens having a trading volume to the market cap ratio of 29%, that's just absurd. Well, obviously this will not sustain for a long time. This is just a 24-hour thing, but even if it decides to sit close to 10%, that is still very significant. Now Dogecoin soars 30% after the logo change. What is this going to mean in the long term? Twitter's logo did not change on its app, while the platform's official account also maintained the hallmark blue. The platform did not respond to requests for the comment, while Elon Musk did not immediately provide an explanation for the change. Now keep in mind that this is the only thing that Elon has talked about, which is, you know, this is just a small meme that's talking about how Twitter has been changed into a Dogecoin, but it hasn't been changed in a lot of important points. Could that mean that this is a temporary change, not forever? I mean, personally, I would not be surprised if there is only for, let's say, the month of April, because, you know, that's the best time for Dogecoin meme tokens. And another thing which is really interesting is he decided to make another post saying, hey, I like to keep my promises, just buy Twitter and change the bird logo to Doge. And he actually talked about that inside of March. Now, Twitter update. So the Twitter CEO has obviously changed it. The development should cause the price to go up by 30%. Will the price keep climbing? Well, yes, in a sense, but at the same time, could this be a way that Elon's just trying to change the outlook of what has been going on in the background? He doesn't want people to focus on the fact that he got nearly sued for 258 billion. He's just trying to change the attention in a different zone. I'm just trying to tell you guys that there is a lot of things that can be happening at the same time, but the only thing you need to understand is if we stay above the 10-cent mark, 10 cents is going to work as a very strong support zone, and hitting the 20-cent mark in the near future will not be hard at all. That's just my opinion. Again, as I mentioned, this is financial advice. Do your own research. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button, and I'll see you guys very soon. I'm out. Peace.